Okay, so may bagong lesson tayo, class. We have your waves and acoustics. Okay? Waves and acoustics tayo. Pintas lang natin to. Yan. Okay? So we have first topic is your simple harmonic motion. Okay? So in oscillation natin, okay. So ito ay any back and forth periodic motion. Okay? So any back and forth periodic. So in our in a simple harmonic motion natin, a specific type of oscillation where the restoring force is directly proportional to the displacement, or in short, your Hooke's law. Okay, so we have your key variables here. Kung maalala nyo to sa maalala nyo to sa MFE2 nyo. Ang amplitude, okay, that is your maximum distance from the equilibrium. Actually, ito yung height. Okay, yung height ng wave. Next is we have your period. Okay, so di ba magganon-ganon siya? Ganyan-ganyan siya. Okay, so the time it take to to complete yung taas, di ba from zero, tataas siya, bababa siya, and then angat ulit, magzi-zero siya, that is your one period. Okay, so frequency natin is cycles per second. Okay, cycles per second, that is your hertz. Frequency is equal to 1 over E. And we have your angular frequency. Angular frequency natin, nakuha lang natin to dun sa circular motion natin. Papalitan lang natin si T natin yung over T natin ng F, or pwede pa rin naman natin gamitin si 2 pi over E. Okay, next one. Sorry. Hindi, a simple harmonic motion to. Nakikita. Formula natin kapag mass spring system, kapag may nakalagay na na K. Okay? Omega natin is equal to square root of K over M. And yung T natin is equal to 2 pi. Papalitan lang natin to ng square root of M over K. Okay? So, yun lang. Constants natin ang speed of sound, or actually this is yung speed ng medium. Speed of sound in air is equal to 334 meters per second. And our threshold of hearing is ito, that is sound intensity, letter I. May may I na naman tayo na bago. Sound intensity I natin, or the threshold of hearing natin for humans, is equal to 10 raised to negative 12 watts per m squared. Okay? Yan. So punta tayo sa example para alam nyo kung anong nangyari dito. Example natin. Yan. So bale, we have a simple harmonic motion, an industrial shaker table used to sort aggregates oscillates in SHM, okay? With an amplitude of 0.05 and a frequency of 4.0 hertz. Yan. So ulitin natin. Calculate the maximum speed of the table and the maximum acceleration. Okay? So dito tayo. Solution natin, class. Siyempre, omega muna. Omega 2 pi f. Di ba? 2 pi f. Meron tayong frequency. So, big sabihin, omega natin is 8 pi. Ngayon naman, sabi, speed. Okay, speed. Di ba naka-meters yan? May meters tayo dyan, di ba? Meters. Paano natin gagawin meters si Rad? Gawin na, i-translate natin siya. So, ang V, maximum natin is equal to A omega. Sir, saan nang buha yan? Kung maaalala nyo, V natin is equal to R omega. Okay, R omega. So, bale, kung papansinin nyo, papalitan lang natin yung R natin ng A, amplitude. So, that is 4 omega. Sorry, that is A omega. Okay, so salpak values natin, makukuha natin yung 2 over 5 pi meters per second. Okay, 2 pi over 5 meters per second. Since nandyan na lang din naman tayo, kukunin na lang din natin yung maximum acceleration niya linearly. Okay, linearly. So, magkakaroon tayo ng A omega squared. Saan galing yun? A is equal to R omega squared. So, magiging A omega squared, magiging 31.58 meters per second. Okay? 31.58 meters per second. Okay, so ganun lang yun. Okay. Yan. Next tayo. Next example. Yan. So, sabi dito, a fisherman notices that his boat is moving up and down periodically owing to the waves on the surface of the water. Okay. So, it takes 2.5 seconds for the boat to travel from its highest point to its lowest point. Hmm. Okay. Ano natin to? Hindi siya gumagalaw. Galawin pa natin. Um, Hindi siya gumagalaw kasi. Ano na, ito na lang. Ayan, ayan. Okay. So, sabi niya, the fisherman sees that the wave crests are spaced, 4.6 a bar. How fast are the waves traveling? Letter B, what is the amplitude of each wave? If the total vertical distance traveled by the boat were zero point 0.3, but the other data remain the same, how would the answers to part A and B of it? Okay, so solution natin, guys. Solution natin, tumigil na siya doon. Okay? Solution natin, T natin, guys. Okay, T natin. Sabi niya, it takes 2.5 for the boat to travel from its highest point to its lowest point. Okay? Highest point to its lowest point. Saan yun? Diba? Angat siya. O, 2.5. Ba siya, papunta doon. Okay? So, bale, 2 times 2.5. Okay? 5 seconds yung period niya. Next one. Next one. How fast? How fast? Pwede nating makuha yun, guys. Yung how fast na yan. A over A over period. Amplitude over period. Ay, sorry. Tama. Amplitude over period. Kasi di ba yun? Kasi di ba meters per second yun? Okay? Amplitude over period tayo. Amplitude over period. That is 1.2 meters per second. Next one, letter B. Ang tanong, saan yun? Fisherman says, what is the amplitude of each wave? Ay, sorry. Nagkamali ako dito. Ano ba to? Nakalimutan ko na ano tong 6. Ano tong 6? Meron pala tayong a total distance of 0.2, 0.62 and your 6. Fisherman sees that the wave crest are 6 meters. Sorry. Hindi pala siya dapat amplitude. Okay, so yung distances between our wave crest kasi is your 6 meters. It takes 5 seconds to traverse those yung 6 meters pala. Nalito ako 0.6 pala yung amplitude nun. Okay? So bale, ang velocity natin ay 1.2 meters. Kasi nakabase siya dun sa haba nung Actually, that wavelength? Tama bang wavelength yan? Wavelength over by period. Actually, that's wavelength times frequency, which is actually wavelength over t. Tama. Okay, next one. What is the amplitude of each wave? Okay, amplitude of each wave natin, sabi niya, travel from a total distance of 0.62. Okay, 0.62. Anong ibig sabihin yun? Ang amplitude natin, kung ang total distance ng highest to lowest is 0.62, i-divide mo ng 2 yun. Okay? I-divide mo ng 2 yun, magiging 0.31. Magiging 0.31. Tapos, if the total vertical distance traveled by the boat were 0.3, but the other data remain the same, how would the answers to part A and B affected? Wala lang. Parang nothing happened. Yeah? Parang nothing happened. Bakit? Kasi ang maapektuhan lang, class, is your amplitude becomes 0.15. But the wavelength, tama, yung 6 meters natin, that is your wavelength pala, tama? Period and wave speed are unchanged. Okay? So, yun lang. Is for your periodic waves. Next one. SHM pa rin tayo. Yan. So, a student designs a suspension seat for a tractor. The seat operator have combined mass of The suspension spring has a constant 16 newtons per meter. Calculate the natural angular frequency and period of the bounce. Since we're talking about spring, ang formula natin dito, yan. So, ang sagot, 12.65. Okay? Next one. Actually, ibang formula 'to pero parehas lang yung lalabas kapag ginamit mo yung sa spring. Kapag ginamit mo yung sa spring. Pero since meron na kasi tayong class, meron na kasi tayong omega, pwede na tayong bumalik dun sa una nating form na ito, di ba? Pwede ito, di ba? 2 pi over by your omega. Bakit? Kasi ang omega natin is equal to 2 pi over t. Okay? 2 pi over t. What is the period of the bounce? Ito, pero meron pa tayong ibang formula nito. Ano 'to, omega natin nasa ilalim. So, ibig sabihin kapag linabas mo 'yan, magiging square root of m over k. Okay? Square root of m over k. So, ang mangyari, parehas lang yung lalabas. Ito pa rin naman ang sagot. That is 0.497. Na-derive lang yung kanina, Ross. Na-derive lang yung kanina. Okay? So, next, natin? We have your pendulums. Okay? A simple pendulum, a point mass suspended by a massless inextendable string. Okay, yun yung simple pendulum daw natin. Okay? Sorry. Dapat pala nandito ako sa kabila. Ayan. Okay? So, restoring force is provided by the tangential, okay, component of gravity. Okay? So, for small angles lang natin, kapag less than 15 degrees, babalik tayo dun sa SHM natin. Pero kung more than 15 degrees natin, magiging simple pendulum na. Okay, so formula for periodic period natin for pendulums is ito. 2 pi square root of L over G, where L is the length of the inextendable string. Okay, so crucial concept natin, the period of a simple pendulum is completely independent of your mass. Okay, so papansin nyo, we have 45, 12, 500, 1.0. Okay? So, yun yun. So, pagpalagay na meron tayong length nung cable natin. So, the mass of the load doesn't matter if the cable length is the same. Okay? They will swing back and forth at the exact same frequency. Okay? So, yung physical pendulum natin, a real solid object, no? Period depends on the moment of inertia. Okay? So, bale, ang T natin kapag physical pendulum pinag-uusapan, that is your 2 pi square root of I over mgd. Okay? mgd. Where D is that is actually your moment arm. Okay? Yung D is actually your moment arm. Okay? So, that is for pendulums. Malapit na tayo matapos, magdo-Doppler effect na tayo, tapos magdo-decibel. And then, tapos na tayo dito sa lesson. And then, mag-heat transfer na tayo next week, I think. At saka electrical something for next. Move na tayo. We have your pendulums. Okay, so a crane operator lowers a 2,000 steel beam from a cable. Sorry, chain dapat yan. Okay? So due to a sudden stop, the beam begins swinging back and forth like a simple pendulum. Simple pendulum tayo. The operator counts exactly 5 complete swings. Okay, in 35 seconds. Calculate the period of the swing and exact length of the range. Okay, solution natin. Okay, so sabi niya, that is 5 complete swings in 35 seconds. Ang ibig sabihin nun, kukunin natin yung seconds natin. So, 35 divided by 5. Ayan, 7.0 seconds. Okay, 7.0 seconds. Maingay pa rin yung beam natin, ha. Yun ang beam natin, ha. Next one, we have we have this one. T is equal to natin, di ba? T is equal to 2 pi square root of LG natin, di ba? So, pwede natin siyang sabihin na L is equal to G times T over 2 pi squared. Okay? So, makukuha na natin yung exact length of the crane cable natin. Okay? So, exact length of the crane cable is yan, 9.81, ay sorry, 12.17 meters. Okay? 12.17 meters. Ganyan lang yan. So, simple. Okay, punta na tayo sa mechanical waves. Yan, mechanical waves natin, a disturbance traveling through a medium, solid, liquid, or gas is, it transfers energy but does not permanently move the matter itself. So, ang velocity natin ay frequency times your wavelength. Okay, frequency times your wavelength. Actually, that is the wave speed pala, hindi pala siya velocity, wave speed. So, types of waves natin, we have your transverse, particle motion is perpendicular, eh, no? Kung papasin perpendicular dyan sa ano. Dito siya. Ayan siya. Perpendicular siya, class. Okay. So, ayan. Next one, longitudinal. Parallel. Parallel. Same parehas ng direction. Okay. Same parehas ang direction. Yan. Next tayo. Ganyan lang yan. Ano lang, ganyan lang yan. Yan. So, sound waves and acoustics natin. Sound, a longitudinal mechanical wave through a medium. Speed in air. Speed of sound in air that is 343 meters per second at 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, sound intensity natin as mentioned before, the power per unit area. Power per unit area. Okay, so decibel, we have your decibel dito. A logarithmic scale for your human hearing. Formula natin for the decibel scale is equal to 10 log of 10 quantity sound intensity of the yung source of sound natin over by the threshold of hearing. Okay? So, yan. So, ito yung examples natin ng ng pangalan niyan. Sorry. Move ko na muna yung mukha ko. Whoops. Ayan. Okay? So, yan yung natin. So, usually, design tractor cabs. Okay? Use dampening materials to keep the interior below 85 decibel for safety. Okay? Yan. Next, na tayo? Final lesson na natin. Lesson na lang. Final lesson for sound and acoustics. We have your Doppler effect class. Uy, wag ako dyan. Sus, nakakatakot naman yung location. Dito na lang. Bystander. Diba? Yan. Okay, so Doppler effect natin and resonance. Doppler effect, the change in perceived frequency due to relative motion between source and listener. Okay? So, moving towards daw, higher pitch, shorter wavelength, tapos moving away, that is lower pitch. Okay, so, higher frequency, lower wave. So, dito, formula natin, ito, frequency of your, frequency of your listener, o listener, listener is equal to frequency of your, of your source of sound, okay? Source of sound. Okay? Quantity, V plus minus, itong V that is your speed of your medium or your, in this case, air. Speed ng sound in air. Okay? So, plus, minus, V, velocity ng listener, over by, velocity nung, nung sound in the medium. So, yung, pa rin to, velocity ng sound in air. So, 343 pa rin to. Ito minus plus. Okay? Minus plus. So, kung plus tayo sa taas, gagamitin mo negative sa baba. Kung minus tayo sa taas, gagamitin mo positive sa baba. Ito, VS, velocity ng source. Velocity ng source of sound. Okay? So, resonance natin, of course, when a system is driven by an external force that matches its natural frequency. Amazing natural frequency. Okay, so results in a massive, sometimes catastrophic increase in amplitude. Okay, so pakita ko 'to, hindi niyo mabasa, hindi niyo mabasa, ayan, basahin niyo na lang. Okay, so this is your Tacoma Narrows Bridge collapse. Yan o. So resonance is the single most destructive force in structural engineering. Every bridge building and tractor chassis has a natural frequency. Okay, the speed at which it wants to vibrate. Okay, so if a strong winds blows across and or the engine rumbling inside a tractor accidentally matches the exact natural frequency, the vibrations will amplify infinitely until the steel literally tears itself apart. Okay, so ito yun. Yes, siya. Okay, so final example. Yan, sound waves and Doppler effect. So a speeding ambulance, so tignan natin yan. Speeding ambulance is on the construction site is driving directly towards the stationary inspector at a velocity of 25 meters per second. O, ito siya. O, diba? So the ambulance siren emits a sound at a true frequency of 800 hertz. Calculate the wavelength of the sound in air behind the ambulance and the frequency heard by the inspector. Okay? So, solution natin dito, mabilis lang 'to class, wavelength, okay, is equal to velocity nung ano, nung sound in air over by frequency nung source. Yan, di ba? O, next one. O, salpak values, sagot, 0.429 meters. Okay, next one. Since our listener, yung inspector natin ay stationary, ibig sabihin, ang VL ay zero. Di ba? So, gamitin na formula. Ayan. O, pagpalagyan natin positive ba? Positive, positive. So, negative yun na sa ilalim. So, mangyari dyan, ayan, 800. Okay, 800 times 343 plus 0 minus 343, ay sorry, over by 340 minus 25. Ang sagot, 863. Okay, ang sagot, 863. Okay, so yan yung ano natin, final topic natin. Kailan pa lang galing to? Hindi ko nang galing to lang ano. Galing to dun sa book. Okay, so yan yung last ano natin for your sound and acoustics.